Looking for a non-stick woks? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 best non-stick woks available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find a perfect non-stick woks for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 10 on our list, we have the Joyce Chen 22-9938 Pro Chef 14-inch 10-piece Excalibur non-stick wok. Joyce Chen is a celebrity chef who specializes in Asian cuisine. Joyce Chen has established himself as a capable Chinese cookware in the United States. The 1422 Excalibur wok with maple wood handles, lid, tempura rack, 1222 bamboo spatula, bamboo cooking chopsticks, 6-pair bamboo table chopsticks, steaming rack, 1222 bamboo tongs, bamboo rice paddle, and recipe instructions booklet are included in this wok. Carbon steel gauge is used to make this non-stick wok. This is perfect for stir-frying on any home burner or in a restaurant. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 9 on our list, we have the KYTD Carbon Steel Wok 12.53 Non-Stick Fry Wok. If you enjoy cooking with carbon monoxide but want your wok to be non-toxic, give this lockout pin wok a try. It has a horizontal textured bottom pattern that employs German technology to reduce the amount of sticky food that comes into contact with the surface. Without the use of a compound covering, the physical back-end impact is enhanced. You only need to clean the non-stick wok before using it, and you're ready to go. At number 8 on our list, we have the Helen Chen's Asian Kitchen Non-Stick Wok. Durable, with a unique 2-coat Excalibur complete and created from 2mm thick carbon steel, Helen Chen's Asian Kitchen Wok, before anything else, resembles a difficult product that could withstand a good deal of maltreatment. It's created in a way to suit every kind of stovetop, such as gasoline, induction, glass, etc. Sad to say, the non-stick wok has to be hand-washed, but that can be readily achieved with only a marginally soaked sponge, so that is going to do the task in seconds. What is not that good is the seasoning that has to be achieved before the initial use and requires approximately 5 minutes, but considering the bright side, it has to be done only once. Helen Chen's Asian Kitchen Wok heats up quickly and retains heat far better than other comparable products, which will certainly affect your cooking outcomes favorably. It's created in the USA, and it's 14 5/83 in diameter, and that gives it more than sufficient space to get a decent-sized meal. Among its drawbacks is its high weight, but fortunately there are also 2 grips, an ergonomic skillet along with a little helping manage on the other hand, which make managing much simpler. At number 7 on our list, we have the Alpha Non-Stick Marble Stone Coating Wok. Quality construction and non-stick coating ensure a non-stop cooking experience that is easy to clean, robust, and powerful. It's dependable for cooking and kitchen use, and it's ideal for everyday use. Fewer oils are wasted and utilized throughout the cooking process. Non-stick coating that lasts a long time, is very easy to clean and use, eliminates the need for excessive amounts of butter and oils to create non-stick surfaces, and promotes healthy eating. All woks are hotspot free, and heat is evenly distributed across the non-stick wok. There are no discrepancies or difficulties with the wok's heat flaring. It's trustworthy and secure. The handle's shape and arrangement give a secure and pleasant grip, with the thumb staying on the handle for easy handling. It's made of high-quality aluminum. Wok is PFOA toxin-free and safe to use in the kitchen and in the kitchen. Can be used on outdoor stoves, and the non-stick coating lasts a long time. Please consider upgrading the petition. At number 6 on our list, we have the Greenpan Paris 12.5-inch ceramic non-stick wok. Greenpan Paris 12.5-inch ceramic non-stick wok is long-lasting, and Greenpan is a safer ceramic pan with no harmful chemicals. This wok is beneficial to our health and easy to use. Greenpan Paris 12.5-inch ceramic non-stick wok comes with 2 interchangeable stainless steel handles that stay cool on the stove. Greenpan is a PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free ceramic skillet. Non-toxic gases are eliminated by this wok. This wok can be washed in the dishwasher and is ready to use right away. At number 5 on our list, we have the Cookin Home 2596 non-stick stir-fry pan. Made of thick gauge metal for even and rapid heat conduction and no hot spots. Non-stick provides for easier food release, cleaning, switching, and pitching, as well as healthier cooking. Large capacity, riveted handle hole for hanging is comfortable to grip, stays cool, and is non-refundable. Works with induction gas, electricity, ceramics, glass, halogen, and other materials. Dishwasher safe but not dishwasher safe. Steps: 3.5 inches tall, 20 inches wide, and 2.75 pounds. Wide, narrow, and top foundation for a variety of uses. At number 4 on our list, we have the OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Dishwasher. The OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro cookware line features effortless food release and overall superior performance. Each piece offers a thoughtful design, from heavy-gauge anodized aluminum and stay-cool stainless steel handles to drip-free pouring edges and a dishwasher-safe coating. The German-engineered, PFOA-free, 3-layer non-stick coating allows for effortless food release with minimal oil or butter, and the durable, scratch-resistant, hard anodized aluminum construction ensures superior heat conduction and even cooking. The contoured comfortable handles stay cool to the touch and are riveted to provide a secure grip. The durable, all-metal construction is perfect for all stovetops, except induction, and can move directly from the stovetop to oven. Oven safe up to 430°F, 220°C. The Non-Stick Pro cookware line is dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. The 8-open fry pan is great for cooking breakfast and many other small dishes. Oven safe up to 390°F, 200°C. At number 3 on our list, we have the Michelangelo frying pan. Made of ceramic coating which is non-stick and scratch resistant. It ensures effortless food release, everything just slides right off. Non-toxic and PTFE and PFOA free. Adopts German technology, durable 3 layers. Bottom of Michelangelo frying pan provides better performance of even heat distribution and warp resistance. The durable and wear-resistant non-stick exterior makes it dishwasher safe and super easy to hand wash. It's convenient, durable, and dependable for years to come. Works well on all types of stovetops including gas, electric. Dishwasher safe hand wash recommended. Oven safe up to 450°. At number 2 on our list, we have the Kraft Wok traditional hand-hammered carbon steel POW wok. Wok, the name of a deep pan with a round bottom of small diameter. The main purpose of the wok is to stir-fry, fast frying with frequent stirring on a hot skillet. But in addition, the wok pan can be used as a vessel for deep frying food in hot oil and for the preparation of various soups. It can also be used as a steamer and even as a smoker. The steel wok is suitable for open fire, and you can even take it with you outside the home and surprise friends with unbelievable Chinese dishes. And finally, at number 2 on our list, we have the Skylight wok pan. This is a carbon steel wok. Rust is normal. After each use, wipe or bake the water after washing, applying a layer of cooking oil after drying, which can prevent rust. If it rusts, use a stainless sponge to clean the rust spots, then apply a layer of cooking oil to recover. Made from 100% carbon steel, cooking vegetables in an iron pot can greatly reduce the loss of vitamin C in vegetables, which in turn can provide more nutrition for the diet. Also, for prevention of iron deficiency anemia or iron supplementation, cooking with iron wok is beneficial to human body. Requires seasoning before use. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.